Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam from Sam H Nails, and today we are doing something so super cool. I'm sure you guys have seen all the tutorials floating around of I've followed or I tried so-and-so's makeup tutorial. Well, today we're doing it with nails. So without further ado, guess that YouTuber.
Are you tripping acid, or are these nails just awesome?
That's right. If you guys didn't read the title or the thumbnail, I am following along to SimplyNailogical's Rainbow Smoky Nails. I love these so hard, so to get all of the hoopla out of the way, my nails, I am following along to Cristine's tutorial. And here are her nails, who was originally inspired, not really inspired, she did a mani swap with Ellean Dish. And here are her nails, who was originally inspired by BadGirl Nails. Noticing a trend here. Who was originally inspired by ChalkBoardNails. So that's the history of these nails. I'm sure there are many people who have done them before, but I am super excited to be able to follow along to Cristine's tutorial and hopefully do them justice. So without further ado, let's get started.
Off base coat, obviously, because it's gonna be epic when I peel these off. And I'm just gonna paint all my nails black. Oops, don't you hate it when you paint outside the nail? I just use a cleanup brush and acetone to get that out, but you black polish are very stubborn today. And now I'm gonna add a quick dry top coat, because we're gonna add nail vinyls next. No, we're not. I'm just so used to saying that. We are not adding nail vinyls. Repeat, no nail vinyls.
But you are gonna need a couple of nail art brushes, pointy, flat, whatever, but they're gonna need to be wet and dry.
First, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to my nail art mat.
Oh, too much water, Samantha, too much water, abort.
I'm gonna mix in some white acrylic paint because that's what's gonna give us the smoky effect. And all you gotta do is paint that liquidy white right on your nail. Next, now this is key. In order to soak up some of the water to leave the smoke effect behind, you gotta get a fresh brush that's dry, because when the bristles are dry, they'll pick up some of the watery shit. Science!
And this is where I'm sitting here going, oh, this is gonna be a massive fail. But I kept doing exactly what Cristine said she was doing, which was that she was just around. So that's exactly what I did. And I was just adding more acrylic paint into my water mixture to make it more opaque, so it wouldn't separate the way that you saw on the nail. And then I'm just going back in with a dry brush to pick it up to make the smoky white, if you will, a tiny bit more opaque so that the neon would pop more. Now for the fun part.
So I basically just took my rainbow polishes one by one, put them in the mat, added a bunch of acetone to it. I think you have to use 100% acetone. I'm not sure, but that's what I did. And then sloppily threw it on the nail, on top of the white stuff. Surely, I immediately realized that applying acetone on top of the acrylic paint started to eat away at it. But I mean, that's why I wanted to try out this design, you know? Try something new. You don't know what the hell's gonna happen, but it could turn out awesome, which I think it did, even though I didn't know what I was doing while I was doing it. More or less blended these three colors of nail polish together across the nail. But to make them even more fabulous, we gotta add hollow top coat, because we can't deny our hollow sexuality. Have you seen my What's the Best Hollow Top Coat video? You should watch it if you're a true holosexual. Ooh, hey, what do you know? I think I just unlocked the galaxy bonus. These started as rainbow smoke nails, I swear. But everything is better with hollow. Now I'm adding a final glossy top coat just to make these nails super shiny so that no one can miss them. We can't have anyone not see these in their life. That would just be so sad.
And that is it, guys. I managed to make it to the end, and as much struggle as I had putting on that smoky white base, I think it turned out fantastic. If you guys are underneath the rock and you don't know who Cristine is, I will have her channel as well as everybody else's channel that I mentioned in this video down below, so make sure you go check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video around, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!